Hello tout le monde, c'est Nebroniax pour la chaîne de Demochus et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour Monsieur Robocop City. La dernière fois on avait dézingué des petits robots et cette fois-ci, je sais pas. On va voir. On avait déjà fait ça l'évaluation. J'ai eu un C. Ah, voilà. Ça n'avait pas pris en compte à partir de là. Ok. Point de compétence. On va mettre en vitalité, hein. Oui, ça rien à faire. On a fini, Max. Voilà. Enquêter sur la perturbation. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
It's a new age, and you have to accept it. My robots are here to stay. Detroit will become the first city policed entirely by my machines. No brains, no glitching, total control.
So that's it? You just gonna replace us?
You've already been replaced, honey. Can't you see it?
What are you talking about? Murphy's one of us.
You're a little confused. That's RoboCop you're talking about. Murphy's the guy who's legally dead.
That's it. We are going on strike.
We are cops. Cops do not go on strike.
That's the spirit, old-timer. I have important people to meet, multi-million-dollar contracts to sign. You know, the usual.
Well, that sucks.
We can't just sit here and do nothing.
You can do something. Your cruiser needs cleaning after your last shift. If you have a hard time finding...
Ouais, j'ai un nouveau point de compétence encore.
something to do, come to me. That goes for the rest of you too. Murphy, briefing room, now.
Wesh. Parle bien. Ah bah avant toi.
First of all, I don't want to hear a word about those damn robots. We have a job to do. Now that the milk is spilled, we are looking for a mole in OCP that's been protecting Antonowski. As hard as it is to believe, Becker is not that guy.
Yeah, but he's still a prick.
Sure is, but there's still a mole that we need to find.
It's gotta be the rookie.
I'm sitting right here.
So?
We start by asking the source.
What are you suggesting?
I pay Wendell a visit in jail.
Good thinking. You can try to squeeze a confession out of him.
If I get my hands on him, I will squeeze more than just a confession.
Hey, Murphy. That news lady's in the lobby waiting to talk to you.
She is doing real good. She had that fire in her eyes. You know what I'm talking about.
I'm really glad to hear that, and I can tell someone was...
Voilà, normalement, non? Par où déjà qu'on sort du commissariat? Par là. Ah non, ça c'est la salle de mon évaluation. J'ai pas envie de parler avec la meuf. De toute façon, c'est pas là ma sortie. Voilà non plus. Ah bah c'est là, c'est en face. Elle est oust. On sort. Ils me disent que je peux quitter le truc, que c'est optionnel d'aller voir l'autre. Ils me forcent à aller là-bas. Mais pas optionnel. T'es en train de me dire qu'il faut obliger que je sorte...
Robo, do you have a minute?
Non. Ah, tu vois? Ok. Bah, je suis obligé. C'est écrit optionnel, mais c'est obligé.
Listen, I wanted to say that I misjudged you. My crusade is against OCP. You were just collateral. So to extend an olive branch, I'd like to give you this.
What is it?
It's the tape of you glitching the other day at the mall. It's the only copy, so you can do whatever you want with it.
I am sure your TV station would love to play the tape.
Yeah, that's why you need to take it before I change my mind.
Thank you.
Now that I have you here, can I interview you as a consolation prize? They want me to ask you about the election. Seems that people value your opinion.
I would be happy to oblige.
Okay, roll the tape.
Oh, j'ai pas envie.
I'm here at Metro West conducting an interview with a man that needs no introduction.
Policier ou...
RoboCop. One of the more contentious points brought up during the election is the construction of Delta City. Many believe that Delta City will destroy old Detroit. Mayor Cusack spoke at length about the illegal evictions that OCP has been planning in order to start the construction. Other candidates, namely John Mills, believe that Delta City is a chance to clean up the city. What are your thoughts on this subject? Is Delta City the future of old Detroit?
I would focus on current Detroit.
Thank you for clarifying your stance on this important topic. This has been RoboCop for Channel 9. Samantha Ortez, signing off. Thanks for the interview, Robo. We'll get out of your hair as soon as we're done packing up the equipment.
Donc maintenant... Voilà. C'est ça que j'aime pas. Pourquoi mettre un truc optionnel, dire que c'est optionnel, mais faire en sorte que c'est pas optionnel? C'est débile. Regardez. Maintenant, je peux aller prendre ma voiture, alors que tout à l'heure, je pouvais pas. Alors que le truc, c'était optionnel, hein, comme ils avaient dit. Arrêtez de dire des trucs, ils sont optionnels, hein, alors que c'est pas vrai. Pas que ça sert à répondre à tes interrogations, moi. Que Wendell, il va vraiment nous aider. Là, regardez, il y a 2 voitures pourries. On est censé être dans la prison de l'OCP. 3 voitures. Allez, vas-y, Wendell. Merci.
Oh, gonna have to strip search you. Belt, keys, loose change, huh? I'm kidding. Just keep walking. I don't think that was funny. Good to meet you, RoboCop. The visiting room is at the end of the corridor.
Voilà, t'aurais pu essayer de me contrôler. Tu serais amusé, mon pote. Et qui, toi?
Good to see you in my prison, Robo. Did the inmates at the entrance welcome you properly?
I felt at home, almost.
I'm glad you're here. I want to ask you about the man you're here to see. The only thing I know is that he's no ordinary prisoner.
Je le vois à travers la vitre.
Keeping his record secret. So who is he?
just another slime that tried to run the city.
I'm afraid he's something more than that. He's a demanding individual. There used to be peace in my prison, but now they're rabid dogs. He turned all the gangs against each other. So either OCP doesn't know who they're dealing with, or there's something fishy going on.
I suspect OCP knows more than they are telling. I'm here to verify that.
Ah, good. Come see me after your interview. I have a humble gift for you and your police friends for keeping my business alive.
Il me donne une récompense de quoi, lui?
OCP funds you, but Becker is not your inside man. Who is?
You're not going to ask me how I'm settling in.
Answer me.
Places like this do me good. I even quit smoking, you know. The trick is to keep your hands busy.
All that matters to me is that your hands are finally cuffed.
Oh, that sense of justice is as strong as ever. That's you all over. Alex Murphy. You didn't expect to hear that name from me, did you? I used to think that erasing the memories of your past life would help you the way it helped me. Oh, but I was wrong. And I want to make it up to you by giving you that life back.
I am here to enforce the law, not to play your games.
But you wouldn't mind a game of baseball with your son again. The new OCP project is what will make this possible for you.
Is that why you needed all those dead bodies?
I could tell you more if you promise not to stick your nose in.
I want details of the project and the names of those involved.
Seems our time is up. But I wouldn't want to leave you empty-handed. So let me at least give you this. The project's called Afterlife. Tread carefully. It's the last chance for you and your family to be together again.
Ok. Hmm. Il y a une alarme, mais personne
We
s'excite. Hein.
have to take the prisoner back to his cell. Looks like a full-blown riot is going down.
Whatever is going on, this slime is involved.
Could be, but now we have to focus on the other prisoners. They're armed and storming the warden's office. We need your help. Robo?
I will turn them to the path of reform.
C'est ouf. Ils sont en prison. C'est moi qui dois faire la loi. Ah bah je suis au max. On va passer par là, là. Non.
Man, I can't take it. Easy. It's a nasty wound.
These
Okay.
scumbags got into the army and are now handing out heavy weapons.
Je pique des trucs dans une prison.
The football game.
Allez hop. Je vais respecter la loi comme ça. Attends quoi? Moi je vais là. Ah oui, par là. Comment il peut avoir des trucs de... Alors qu'on est dans une prison. Il me tire dessus. Non, toi regarde pas. Ouais, il y en a. Voilà. T'as réglé ton armurerie. Allez, passons au suivant. On va prendre le contrôle de la radio. Comment t'y vas la radio? Là, je m'envoie du papier toilette. Quoi cette dinguerie? Je peux passer par là? Non. Oh, fais gaffe. Il n'y a pas de passage pour aller à la radio. Hein. Comment je fais? Peut-être qu'il a laissé son sac ici. Je peux passer par là. Mais comment tu veux que j'aille? Post radio. Ok. Je crois que j'ai vu le passage. Là, je vais jusqu'au bout. Ok, c'était là. Je peux pas. Ok. Je vais pas me casser les pieds à faire tout le tour. C'est ici. Pourquoi il y a une... il y a une piole qui brûle de ouf? Par là? Ok, c'était par là. Mais pourquoi il y a des mecs que je peux pas leur tirer dessus là? Quoi ça? Voilà. Où suis?
Anatomy corner. What does the heart of a snitch bitch look like? Is it rotten? Is it black or
T'es où toi? Non. Oh mais... Non. Donc il faut que je passe par là.
RoboCop, I owe you.
We have to stop these creeps from taking over the prison.
You bet we do.
Wendell is behind this, and you
Il y a du sang pendant que...
I knew
Regardez,
something
derrière la
was
fille, il y a du sang.
His cell is in Block
Pendant
B.
qu'il parle.
And RoboCop, give him my regards.
I will give him much more than that.
Call me on the radio if you need me. Sir, Block A is free. Good. Let's keep
Ouais, où ta radio ne... Au bon endroit. Ok. Ok, donc là je peux pas aller à la radio. Là, je peux l'ouvrir, non? Toujours pas. Mais comment tu vas à la salle de radio?
Whoa, that's not what I expected.
Ouvre-moi ça, là.
We need to seal off this area. If you go further, you won't be able to turn back. So, you want to proceed?
I am ready to proceed.
Okay, good luck.
Ouais, bah, il me casse les pieds, ton truc objectif.
I've got a wife and kids. Please. I promised you that one day I'm not fighting. RoboCop, new arrivals.
I saw them.
They must be the ones who released the prisoners.
The riots are a smokescreen for Wendell.
They're heading for his cell.
I am on my way there now.
Il veut quoi, lui? Boost. peux pas casser les radios. Pourquoi me les faire viser si je peux pas les casser?
Wendell's cell is empty. Intruders beat me to it.
Robo, I'm just getting a signal that the hostiles were spotted moving towards the property store. Wendell included.
I will meet them there.
Mais vous êtes pas des alliés, vous? Ah bah je tire dans les boules, hein. Et ils ont des balles, mon frère. Allez hop. Relou celui-là. Allez, reste à terre. Ouah. On vise les murs, non? Parce que sinon, impossible que je les tue. Ils ont des boucliers et tout. Ouais, des boucliers. Ils ont des casques et tout.
Somebody help me! Oh, these scumbags want to fry me! Help! Martha! What will happen to you when I leave? I can't leave you! Help! Thank God you're here. Oh, I don't know how to thank you.
On n'en sait pas.
Martha needs me, you know. Oh, it's such a great car. But they'd probably scrap it if I died here. You saved us both. Thank you.
Tout. Alors moi j'ai un point de compétence encore à monter. Yol. Moi des balles. Faut que j'aille me cacher. Non, c'est un pompe, moi je veux pas de ton pompe. Eh bah oui, vos faiblesses c'est les jambes. Ça se protège de partout mais pas les jambes. Et j'ai mis une balle dans le pied, il est tombé. Donne-moi des balles. Allez, je peux pas l'attraper. Bah, ouais. Mais t'as ouvert toi. Allez. Carré. Dans les escaliers. J'ai plus de balles, vite, 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 vite. Voilà. Viens là, toi. Va sur lui. C'est abusé. En plus, je vais même pas les viser correctement. Fournis-moi des balles, toi. Oh, une charge. Mais c'est qui ces trucs de ouf là? On va espérer que là il y a quelque chose. Et... activer un. Et... Ah non, ils sont avec moi, eux. Bon, ça va.
Last week I finished organizing the stuff down here with a brand new system. And today, those fuckers showed up and messed everything up.
Where did they go?
To the parking lot. You have to bust them. I'll be cleaning this shit up until retirement.
Toujours pas à la fin, là.
The scum's over there, hiding behind his bodyguards. We need to smoke him out.
Démolir. Et zoom. C'est un d'autres là? Oui, ils sont là. Et zoom. Oui, d'accord, je viens de le voir. Et hop. Mais... Allez hop. Bah si, lui il a des balles. Voilà. Mais tiens, meurs. Il meurt sur des bennes à ordures. Il en reste un. Il est où? Ah, il est là. Il est un gros. Et bah parfait. Et non. Et 2. Et le dernier. Et le gros il veut pas mourir hein. Bah voilà. Qu'est-ce qu'il faisait? Et meurt, je te tire dans les burnes. Il faut parce que le réticule il veut pas aller dessus.
Can't you get it through that thick skeleton? You're supposed to stay away from my business if you want to get your past life back. How about we save part of that life right now? I sent some guns to the hospital to rectify my mistake and finish the job with your friend Lewis. But it was before we talked. I would have called off the hit, but I had to take care of you and your fellow guards. So, I guess it's over to you. And you better hurry.
Vraiment l'enfoiré jusqu'au bout lui hein. Petite discussion. Terminer la quête, confession de Wendell. Ok, donc là, si je vais sur ça. 11h21, ouais, c'est bon. Ah oui, ça... Oh oui, d'accord, ça recharge plein de trucs. Ok. Donc voilà. Vidéo terminée. On a avancé. J'espère que ça va vous plaire, puis je vous dis à la prochaine.